So this is the video editor website that I made with AI, without coding, without playing around with things for 3 hours and being frustrated that something doesn't work. Here, as you can see, Book of Recall, recent edits, the brands that we work with, what we can do for you, why choose us, some of our best work, then answering your questions as the FAQ here, the pricing, and hear from those who trust us. Now, it looks good in my opinion, Book of Recall, and I'm going to show you how you can make a website like this. Let's start. A lot of people, when they want to make a website with AI, what they do is that they start prompting into the Claude, make me a website like this. And then what happens is that the Claude is going to make all the websites the same, very similar with the fonts, with the design. We're not going to go this way. What we're going to do is that we have to find some templates or some websites that we like in the specific space and take it as an inspiration for our own site. So for example, what you can do is that you can write here video editor website template Figma into the Google, and you are going to find plenty of ideas that you can choose from. Or even if you know that, let's say you're based in Europe and someone in the US got such amazing, you have someone there doing something that you want to do and their site looks amazing. So you want to take inspiration from it. What you can do is you can click here and come to Cloud Convert website PNG, that you're gonna have the website to PNG, and then you're gonna download it as a PNG. That's something that I did. Now, for the inspiration for this video, I found out in Framer, the Gigi Garish, and he made this amazing looking website for short form video editing that scales your views. And in my opinion, it looks insane. But I'm not using Framer. I don't want to be dependent on Framer. So I'm like, yeah, okay, how can I make maybe something similar to this as an inspiration? So then what you're gonna do is that I already did some work here. So first you're gonna take it, and I'm just going to paste the prompt here. So make a videography website from this screenshot as an inspiration. I want to be mobile friendly and similar colors. For existing pictures, just choose from internet, then I'll replace them. Same for videos. The first carousel of videos is moving, so I want to have it like that too. So whatever animation there I want to have it's going to do it. Also, I want to have it in design and things, and I send in screenshot. When they hover over the buttons, I want there to be animations too. The brands under videos also want to have animation. So just describe to Claude from the template what you want to have there. Now, in a moment when you are going to do this, and I'm going to, let's say, like this, and you would just paste it, and it's going to, I want to capture as image PNG, and then we're going to click capture website. It's going to download you the file. Then what happens is that I'm going to show you, it downloaded for me here, and I can upload it. So now it's going to ask a question. So you're going to send it. And then when you see, for example, why it's going to load, it's going to ask you a question like everything that you need to know. So here, as you can see, the difference when you're going to look here, that, okay, I got different number, different color of the button. Then also he doesn't have the, the phone on right. I have it. Also his, I really think that it's insane what he made. I mean, like, if I would be using Framer, I'm going to buy this because it just looks very good. So as you can see, the recent edits, the videos are smaller, but again, you can make it bigger. The Claude can make it, and I will even show you what kind of changes I made. Also here, like, in my opinion, this looks also good. I would edit a little bit more, and you can see, and then you can play around with Claude that what you want to make differently. Some of our best work. We will get to how you can make the edits, but look what happens. Now, what they did is that it's going to ask you questions. They always do this. So what kind of animation, what kind of things you want differently, maybe what kind of things you don't see what Claude can make. And then what you're gonna do is that when you are going to paste it and you're gonna make it, then we have to continually edit the things that we want differently. So for example, I will start with the things that I want here. That, okay, so recent edits, I want to have there not 690 videos. So first the videos were like this, 16:9. So I want to have it as a phone. Then also the videos were ending at some point. So I wanted to have it on loop. It's going to make it on loop. And step by step, each of the things you can either annotate. So this means is that you can choose thing about the specific thing, or you're gonna have the tweaks here about the, you know, like for example, I choose here the electric blue or pure mono. Carousel speed, I can like increase it and make it slower or faster. Insane that you can do it right here, right? So let's make it slower. Then also we're gonna have edit here, and that's something that I do. So what I like with the edit is that you can click here and then you can edit it by yourself, right? And you can change things. For annotate, what I really like is that this is something that I did. Look at that. So I was like doing, and it were in World of Bronze, by the way. So here, okay, so for recent edits, what happened there is that I want to have it how he got it on website, because it was just like this, put it by the side, and I didn't like that. So look what I did is that I annotated it with like what I want. This is how it looked like. And I'm like, no, I want to have it like this. Do you see what I mean? So this is what I want. So I would click annotate and I would just start how I want things to happen. And then I would write here. That's how simple it is. This is something that, you know, I like so much comparing from my experience working with Squarespace or Wix, that you're just gonna paint it and it's going to do it for you. And then when it actually did, it got it, and then I even shared it. Even this wasn't good, so I'm like, yeah, but I want to have it like this guy got it. It looks amazing. And again, it did it. And then the testimonials and videos that I want to have be on loop all the time. Again, it did it for me. So this is where, in my opinion, it's insane. So now, as you can see, we got very much great working website, and you need to check every single segment what you want to have it differently and then continue to work with. Yes, maybe there are also limitations, but you can edit a lot, and that's something that I like about Call Design. I see this huge power when you actually have the reference point, because I see a lot of people making the, you know, the site with just Call Design doesn't look good, and maybe it got the limits, but still you can do a lot with that, and you can achieve a lot. So here that we got it, now it's like, how can I make it on my site? So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna come here on the top right, click share, export, and then standalone HTML. When you're gonna click standalone HTML, the next step is that we have to come to hostinger.com, and you're gonna have a link down below in the description. So when you're gonna click on the hostinger.com, on the link, you're gonna get also 10% off. So here you can choose the premium if you don't want to have unlimited websites, or free are going to be enough for you. Then you're gonna choose 48 months for how long you want to have it. The longer, the better price you're gonna get. So 48 months, where you're gonna have also domain for free. So you're gonna write the domain and then have a coupon code where I'm going to write Marcus. Just write here Marcus, apply, and voila, here you got it. 10% off, so $160. First domain is going to be free for the first year, and then you're going to continue and have the site. And then how it works is, look at that, it's going to export me the website. Then what you're going to do is that when you are going to be in Hostinger, you don't want to make the website with the Hostinger website builder. Just skip that. You want to make the website just by yourself, and there you're going to have the dashboard. And now I come here to websites, or like the files and the file manager, and we're going to wait until it's going to you know, export me the site, and then we are going to upload it and it's going to work for us. So check it out. Here we got download Marcus Video standalone site. Also, how we can do it is that when you will come here to edit project files, you're going to have the Marcus videos, and you got 1.7 megabytes. So now I'm just going to open it, and I'm going to come here to public HTML. I need to again click on it, and public HTML, and I'm going to delete the thing that is there, and I'm going to upload it right here. Look at that. So now I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to write index HTML with the small I, okay? And that's how we're gonna do it. Now when I come here to the website, my camera went off, and look at that, I'm going to open the site. Look, we got it. Now there was this play button, did you see that? This is something that always happens, you need to remove it. So when you're doing the editing, you need to remove that. But look at that. So this looks good. Then you would just like put up the reviews, or you're gonna replace the videos by our own content. We have the pricing, get started, and book a free call, which is going to, let's say, link to Calendly, or you're gonna have the call us. And goddamn, I mean, in my opinion, it looks good. I don't know, what do you think about it? We can even check out the mobile version. I mean, yeah. So hope this video was beneficial and helpful, how we can make amazing website. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.